Grade 7 girls, page 32. In last class, we have finished with this question, adding and subtracting integers. And I have even shown you the way how to do it. And today, try to finish this page first, page 32. I've solved with you now, girls, and I said that minus and minus, you're adding it and you're writing the sign of the bigger number. Did you finish writing? Malak and Gali are there?
No, miss. Wait, English.
Complete it, please. Write today's date there so that you remember that we started it.
Actually, miss, they went down the sample answer.
Okay. Finish or not yet?
Okay, I'm done.
Okay. All right. Let us do with question number. Okay, girls, yeah. Let us do the first question, question number 4. What is the distance between the top of the fishing pole and the fish? Where is the fish? At the bottom. Wait, what did they say you? 4.5 feet. Okay. This is the bottom, right? What is the distance between the top of the fishing pole? This is the top of the fishing pole. Okay. And so they told this is 8.5 till here, and this is 4.5. So of course you need to one minute. What is the distance between the top of the fishing? Let us first make a line here. The total is 8.5. See, guys, carefully look at it. The total is 8.5. The total, okay?
Miss, you plus it?
1 minute. No. See here. The total is 8.5. From up to down, it is 8.5. Okay? And what is the distance between, or I think this is 8.5. Only this is 8.5. It's not clear giving. It's not clear to me here. This is 8.5. And the other one is 4.5. Of course, we'll plus it, girls. But how did they write here? They wrote here in a way that...
Miss, will it be 13?
Yes?
13? 13 plus?
Yes, 13. 8.5 minus of minus 4.5. So you get 8. Of course, this is 8.5 plus 4.5. And it is 13 feet. Now, even looking at it directly, girls, if you see this is 8 and this is 4. 8.5 plus 4.5 total, how much it is? 8.5 plus 4.5. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4. 12 and half, or it's simple. 8.5. I told you in the first class that half means 0.5. 8.5 plus 4.5 is 13 feet, right? So simple, girls. Even if you don't know this expression, leave it. Don't worry, girls. And such kind of questions, again, I'm not giving. Now, next one. Finish writing it, then say, and then I'll start with the next one.
Done.
Okay. A shark began at 172.5 meters below sea level. Girls, when you come down to sea level, below means minus 172.5. Okay? Below means minus 172.5. Then from there, the shark swam up to 137.1. Okay? It went till up. Now they're asking you this distance. They're asking you this distance. So of course, I will take the total minus 172.5 and I'll minus it with, I'll plus, why plus? Because it didn't swam up. First, go down. They went below the sea level. I put minus 172.5. Then they say swam up. I put plus 137.1. Any questions? Any questions, Magali and Malak? So
Miss, I didn't really understand it well.
Ghalia, a shark began at 172.5 meters below sea level. When you see the word below, what do you write?
Negative?
Negative 172.5. Okay. Then swam up. Up means positive. Positive
yeah.
37.1. This is swam up below. If you want, you just circle it so that while studying, you can know that swam up means it is positive. One negative and one positive. Lean, what I'm going to do if one is negative and the other is positive? Very good. I regroup it. My answer is minus 35.4. Malak, why is it minus 35.4?
Because we don't we minus and plus, we don't put them, we minus them.
No, the answer is minus 35.5. Why it is not positive 35.5, 35.4? Because we take the sign of
Because we went below. Yeah.
Sign of bigger number. This is bigger. 172 is bigger and this is small. We always take the sign next to bigger number. Next means before bigger number. Okay?
Okay.
I just don't want answers. Rital, did you finish writing? Good. Finish, girls?
Yeah.
All right, yeah. For this book, I feel better because we have, like, I don't have to go to white screen. Here, I can do everything. Now, A minus 12.5 plus 4.5. Again, I told you for half, just be careful. And write out. Okay? Rital, what should I do here? Okay, let me minus it. So what do you get? 8.0, okay. And how about the sign? Why negative 8? All right, very good. Number B. Malak, what is the next step? Minus 0.35 minus into minus. What is minus into minus? Malak, minus into minus, what should I write here? Plus 0.25.
Plus, yeah.
Did everyone see? But this step is very important. You need to open the parentheses first. Okay, now what are you doing, Malak?
Now we plus 35 plus 25.
Why do you plus it, sweetie?
Because they are.
Because one is negative and other is positive. Why do you plus it?
No, both of them are negative.
Really? See here. See this one. This is where you get confused here, Malak. See this.
No, Miss, we plus it.
Not the question. See here. One is negative and one is
Positive.
So what am I doing? I'm doing plus or minus.
Plus it.
Malak, if you have opposite sign, one is negative, one is positive, you will minus it. If you have same sign, see what did I do here? Negative and positive.
So
what
now
did I
we have different signs. We have different signs, right?
Different signs, you will minus it. Same
Yeah.
sign, you will plus it.
Oh, minus.
Where? Yeah, I have to do that. I'm just doing without recurring. 12 minus 4 is 8. Okay, so I'll minus this. Now you understood where you were wrong, Malak?
Yeah.
So your answer is 0.10. Sign of the bigger number. I told you when you open the parenthesis, you multiply the signs. When you multiply plus, same sign plus. If I have plus and plus, plus. Minus and minus, plus. Negative, negative also positive. But if suppose here is, so it becomes minus here. And you will solve this. You will not solve this. Finished?
No.
However, it is. The answers are written, but still we will solve and then you write the answer, okay? That will make you practice much better. We'll try to finish the lesson today. Okay, number 7, 3.2 minus of minus 5.7. Now see, Malak. Okay, Wateen, tell me. Positive, yes. Okay. So you get this. Now never see this. Never solve this. Solve this as a question. Okay, Malak? Ghalia, do you get what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Why did I plus it? Because I will check this. I will not see the above one. So what do I get answer? 8.9. And of course positive, because 5.7 is positive here. Don't take the sign from the question, because this was a parenthesis question. Parenthesis question, you will solve and then you will have your own question. Okay? Be very, very careful in parenthesis. Never take the sign from the parenthesis.
Miss, I didn't understand.
Malak, see, like you have this question, right? Now, you write 3.2, you open the parenthesis. How do you open the parenthesis, Malak? If same sign, it is positive. Minus times minus. Negative sign to negative sign, it's positive sign. You got this. Now you solve this, Malak. When you solve this, what do you get? Both are positive. I have to add. Both are positive, I have to add. I got it? 8.9. And sign of the bigger number. What is the sign of the bigger number here? Positive. I will leave like that. Don't take this sign. Don't take this sign. Okay? Take this sign. You have this as a question. Did you get it? Understood or no? Not yet.
Yes.
Okay, number 8. 12 over 13 plus minus 1 over 13. See, Rital, how do I do this? Let us first open the parenthesis. 12 over 13. What is this into this? Excellent. Now this is your question. Forget about this, okay? So denominators are the same. I can take 13. And in the numerator, I can take 12 minus 1, right? So what is 12 minus 1? 12 minus 1. 11 over 13. This is your answer. Any questions? Malak?
No.
See, parenthesis. Here, parenthesis, it was same sign. You got a positive sign. Here, this is opposite sign. You get a negative sign. You open it and you solve this. After this, denominators are same. I can add or subtract the numerators. I put the denominator. I put 12 minus 1. I got 11 over 13. Nish?
No, miss. The 8, I still didn't finish it.
Did you understand, Ghalia?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm done.
Okay. Number 9 and 10, put a cross markers. I cannot solve all of them. Number 11, A, 50 and a half, plus and minus 2.3, 12.3. You can. Yes, girls, you don't have space here, solve in the copybook. Or if you want just one step, you can write it there. 50.5. What do you do after that, Malak?
Miss, we will
Open the
we
parentheses,
will
come on.
minus.
Very good. Now, how to solve this? This is one positive and one negative. Of course, I'll minus it.
Yeah.
When I do
It
this,
will be 50 plus 12, 62, 62 point.
my dear, minus. One is positive, the other is negative.
Minus,
Sign of the bigger number. The bigger number is 50. And what is before 50? If there is nothing, that means it is positive. I don't have to put a positive sign. Any questions?
No.
Ghalia, solve this with me. Minus 50.5. What should I do this?
We plus it?
Open the parentheses. Open the parentheses. That is the first thing.
Minus.
Yes, don't forget to open the parentheses, girls. Yes, now tell me what to do here, Hari. Look at this. Take this as a question. You
Okay.
have minus 50.5
Yeah.
and you have minus 12.3. What do you do?
We subtract, right?
Once again,
Oh,
when you both have negative signs.
we add it.
Yes.
We add it.
Still you are confused with this. You write 62.8 and sign of the bigger number. What is bigger number here?
50.5.
Yes. Okay. Now same question. You have directly without parentheses. This is simple. How will I do this, Watin? There's no parenthesis in C. So one is negative, the other is positive. What should I do? Yes, when I minus, what did I get here? Sign. Yes, did you see here? It was positive here because the bigger number had positive. Here we have negative because the bigger number has negative. Understood? Okay, girls. Number 12, let me read. At the beginning of the day, the stock market goes up. What is the meaning of goes up? Plus. So I'll just write 30.5. Okay. And at the end of the day, the stock market goes down. That is minus 120. This, did you get the expression? This is called the expression, right? Did you get the expression? Ghalia, Malak? First,
Yeah.
it goes up, it is positive. Then it goes down, it is negative because it is goes down. I'll just underline the word goes down and it is negative. Okay? Now, one positive, let me first change 30.5. And previously I told when it's 1 over 4, just write 0.25. First class, I told you, I made you write this. 1/4 means 0.25, half means 0.5. Okay, Malak, what should I do here? One is positive and the other is negative. What should I do here?
We will minus them.
Excellent here. There's nothing here. So it's 12.
Yeah, it will be 90.90.
It's a very tough subtraction. 7.
90.20. 9.
Check if I'm right. 89.75. Check if it's I'm right. Check by adding. You can check by adding and check like this. Whether we are right or not.
No, it will be minus 90.
We are correct, okay? 89. We are correct here. See, because we couldn't borrow. See, first I took 12. I regroup it. I cannot. So I took carry from here. I made it 1. And then made this to 9 and 11. This is regrouping. And we got 89.75. What sign will I put? Negative or positive? Because 120 is bigger number. Because you know that 0.75 is quarter, 3/4. Yes, you can put, but see, you must know 0.75 is quarter.
But how did we get 75.75?
Yeah, by minus the whole, see?
But if you minus 25 to 52,
Nah, dear. Don't do like that. Don't do like that. Regrouping, dear. You cannot subtract 25 from 50. You cannot take 50 balls out of from 25 balls. So we regroup it. Like here, Malak, if I say you 12 minus 9. Is it 9 minus 2, 7? Is it like this? No, you regroup it, right? Understood?
Yes.
Question 13, put a cross mark. We'll do question 14 now. Did you finish doing this?
Yeah.
Girls, a bird flies from its nest to the bottom of the crayon. From the bottom of the canyon floor. What is the bottom of the canyon floor? See, minus 80, okay? And where did it fly? Okay, so 528 over 1/5. All right, but I will take, how about, see, they're asking you how far did the bird fly? Bird fly from here till there. So of course you need to add both of them. You need to add both of them. Bottom of the canyon, it's like this, girls. I'll tell you, wait a second. Don't put this expression. Don't put this expression. It's 528 minus 89. You know that this is 89. This is this way. If you don't get this, girls, don't panic for this question, okay? 528, 1 over 5 plus 89, 3 over 5. First, we'll add both of them, 528 and 89. I'll continue tomorrow, better, okay? Okay, girls, because we just have 4 minutes left and I will not be able to